Are you looking for the best CPUs for video editing? In this video we will look at some of the best CPUs for video editing. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 5. Intel Core i9-14900K. The latest innovation from Intel, the Core i9-14900K, is suitable for professional video editors who demand top-tier performance. This processor features 24 cores, 8 performance cores and 16 efficiency cores, and 32 threads, providing massive multitasking capabilities and smooth video rendering performance. Its leading max clock speed of up to 6.0 GHz enables it to handle intensive editing tasks and complex effects with ease. A key feature of 14900K is its ability to support both DDR4 and DDR5 memory. Higher-end CPUs often support faster RAM, which can further improve performance. This flexibility can be particularly useful in a professional setting where workflow optimization is key. Additionally, the processor supports PCIe 5.0, offering faster data transfer rates which are beneficial for video editors working with large file sizes. The i9-14900K is powerful but needs a lot of power, 125W TDP. You'll need strong cooling to keep it running well. It also requires a motherboard with an LGA 1700 socket, which might mean an upgrade for some users. Customer feedback: the response from users has been very positive, especially from video editors and gamers. They appreciate the processor's ability to handle demanding tasks. However, some mention its high heat output and the need for advanced cooling systems. CPU cores: 24, 8P cores, 16E cores. Threads: 32. Max clock speed: 6.0 GHz. L2 cache: 128 MB. Integrated graphics: Intel UHD Graphics 770. TDP: 125W. Process technology: Intel 7, 10 nanometers. Socket: LGA 1700. Memory support: DDR4 and DDR5. Number 4. AMD Ryzen 5 7600X. Suitable for 1080p and 4K video editing, the AMD Ryzen 5 7600X with 6 cores and 12 threads offers excellent performance for its price and low power consumption. It boasts a base clock speed of 4.7 GHz and can boost up to 5.3 GHz, providing rapid processing speeds that are suitable for most video editing tasks. The 38 MB of combined L2 and L3 cache in the 7600X ensures efficient data access and smooth operation, even when multitasking between editing software and other applications. This CPU is built on AMD's 5nm process technology, which enhances its power efficiency, making it a solid choice for editors looking to optimize their setup for long hours of work without excessive power consumption. While it doesn't come with integrated graphics, the 7600X's compatibility with high-performance discrete GPUs makes it a versatile core for a custom editing rig. Its TDP of 105 watts is relatively low, meaning it doesn't require as robust a cooling solution as more powerful models, though adequate cooling is still recommended to maintain peak performance. Customer feedback: users who opted for the Ryzen 5 7600X have expressed satisfaction with its performance, noting that it offers excellent value for the price. It handles video editing software competently, though some users suggest pairing it with a strong GPU for handling more graphics-intensive tasks. CPU cores: 6. Threads: 12. Base clock speed: 4.7 GHz. Max boost clock speed: 5.3 GHz. L2 cache: 6 MB. L3 cache: 32 MB. TDP: 105W. Process technology: 5 nanometers. Socket: AM5. Number 3. AMD Ryzen 7 7800X 3D. The AMD Ryzen 7 7800X 3D delivers robust performance without the heavy price tag of top-tier CPUs. Featuring 8 cores and 16 threads, it offers a well-rounded balance between performance and power efficiency. Its base clock speed of 4.2 GHz can boost up to 5 GHz, guaranteeing quick task execution. Equipped with AMD's 3D V-Cache technology, the 7800X3D provides reduced latency and improved data throughput, which is crucial for rendering and processing large video files. The 104 MB of combined cache, L2 plus L3, aids in maintaining high performance under multitasking scenarios, making it ideal for video editing suites that rely on real-time processing. While the 7800X3D offers significant power, its thermal design power, TDP, of 120 watts suggests that it manages energy consumption efficiently, which can be beneficial for extended editing sessions. However, similar to its higher-end siblings, it requires a robust cooling solution to maintain optimal performance. Customer feedback: users appreciate the 7800X3D for its excellent price-to-performance ratio. They report that it handles video editing tasks with ease, providing stable performance and good multitasking capabilities. However, some have noted the necessity for a strong cooling system to manage the heat during intense operations. CPU cores, 8. Threads, 16. Base clock speed, 4.2 GHz. Max boost clock speed, 5 GHz. L2 cache, 8 MB. L3 cache, 96 MB. TDP, 120W. Process technology, 5 nanometers. Socket, AM5. Number 2. AMD Ryzen 9-7900X3D. AMD's CPU, the Ryzen 9-7900X3D, offers 12 cores and 24 threads for exceptional performance. It balances affordability with high-end capabilities, making it one of the top choices for 4K video editing. The processor reaches a maximum boost clock of 5.5 GHz and includes a significant 140 MB combined cache, L2 plus L3, providing accelerated processing speeds for complex video editing tasks. Notably, the 7900X3D is built on AMD's advanced 5 nanometers technology, which helps maintain efficiency even under load. The processor is specifically designed for the Socket AM5 platform, supporting cutting-edge features and future upgrades. However, like the 7950X, it does not include an integrated graphics unit, which means a separate GPU is required for graphic-intensive tasks. The main advantage of the 7900X3D is its 3D V-Cache technology, which significantly improves latency and bandwidth, beneficial for rendering and real-time editing processes. This CPU strikes an excellent balance between power consumption and performance, with a TDP of 120 watts. Customer feedback: users have generally been positive about the Ryzen 9-7900X3D, particularly highlighting its ability to handle intensive multitasking and gaming along with video editing. The common note from users includes the need for substantial cooling solutions, as the CPU can generate considerable heat during peak operations. CPU cores, 12. Threads, 24. Base clock speed, 5.6 GHz. Max boost clock speed, 5.5 GHz. L2 cache, 140 MB. L3 cache, 140 MB. TDP, 120W. Process technology, 5 nanometers. Socket, AM5. Number 1. AMD Ryzen 9-7950X. The AMD Ryzen 9-7950X, an ideal choice for video editing, showcases robust multi-threading capabilities. With 16 cores and 32 threads, it is great for 4K and 8K video editing while maintaining efficient power usage. This CPU excels in handling complex editing tasks and intensive workflows. The high base clock speed of 4.5 GHz, which can turbo up to 5.7 GHz, ensures efficient processing speeds that enhance video rendering and encoding tasks. This processor is efficient with 5 nanometers technology and includes a large 64 MB L3 cache, which reduces data access times, improving overall system responsiveness. Integrated AMD Radeon graphics support further enhances tasks requiring graphics processing. However, the Ryzen 9-7950X runs hot, requiring a high-quality cooling system for optimal performance. Its premium pricing and need for a newer AM5 socket motherboard may also limit accessibility for some users. Customer feedback: users find the Ryzen 9-7950X very satisfying, handling multiple demanding applications simultaneously without lag. Some suggest upgrading cooling solutions due to its heat output during peak loads. CPU cores, 16. Threads, 32. Base clock speed, 4.5 GHz. Max boost clock speed, 5.7 GHz. L2 cache, 16 MB. L3 cache, 64 MB. TDP, 170W. Integrated graphics, AMD Radeon graphics. Process technology, 5 nanometers. Socket, AM5.